If you're serious about getting into real estate investing, I'm going to share with you the fastest and the cheapest way to do it. Plus, I'm going to actually share with you the best places to get a loan, okay, that you don't have to start paying back for the first 90 days, up to $50,000. Plus, there's multiple lenders that would be able to help you with this. That being said, let's jump right into it. Now, the first place we're talking about is 21st Mortgage Corporation. And the thing about it, you can go here on their website, and as you can see, they have mobile homes in Texas starting at 41,000, 49,000, 68,000. Now, here's the thing about it. Because you see these here numbers here, these high prices here, that doesn't mean that you have to pay that price. Like, go by the year, look at the year. This here one was manufactured in 2000. So you may be able to negotiate the price down on this here mobile home. Also, I would tell you a key insight is find a broker. The reason why, because brokers have access to a lot of mobile home sites, and they may have also access to mobile lenders that are in foreclosure, that find people that are in foreclosure, and they're trying to find those mobile homes, and you'll be able to get a discount on those mobile homes like that as well. All right. So don't think that you have to pay these here high prices. Like I said, this one was made in 2000. So since it was made in 2000, you may be able to again to negotiate the price on it. All right. So don't think that you just have to come up with all this money. That's not true. All right. So this is the first one. Then the next one is going over to eBay. Okay, so with eBay, you see that they have the auctions plus your buy now. Now, you do have to be careful with eBay, and I'm gonna tell you why. Because, like some of these places, they may list a mobile home or something like that. And the thing about it is, they may show the pictures, but not the actual home, right? So you may have to say, hey, do you mind sharing a video or something like that? Like this here one is $6,000. They want $6,000. So finding out where's this located. So looking at this here mobile home for $6,000, it's on a permanent slab. So this is something that since it's on a permanent slab, you may be able to negotiate to actually rent that out. Buy the mobile home and leave it there, okay, and then rent it out. So that's something that you may have to negotiate again, giving you an opportunity to raise more capital, right? So you have multiple ways in order to do this. Now, you have a Savage Cell, okay? And so the reason I brought Savage Cell up is because they have these enclosed trailers. Now, the reason why is because this thing is on wheels, okay? And if you were to build it out, buy it and build it out, for like a mobile home, then guess what? This may keep you from paying property taxes because it's still on wheels. Again, I would check with a real estate or a real estate broker or an attorney about that in your state. But some people have just found out leaving their thing on wheels, they manage to not have to end up paying property taxes. Now, another video I'm going to actually be making is actually where's the best places to buy land to put these, okay? Now, you also have VMF homes, all right? So they have manufactured homes as well. So I chose the state of Georgia just to give us an idea, of what it is that they offer in terms of types of mobile homes. They have 3 bedroom, 2 bath, so giving you that opportunity. Some of these are very expensive. So this one even comes with the land. So this comes with 10 acres of land. So by this coming with 10 acres of land, guess what you can do? You can actually split that 10 acres up and put a mobile home on each, and then you can sell that mobile home with that 10 acres, right? For a different price. Again, I would tell you to talk with an attorney. I would tell you to talk with a broker, a real estate broker about this, but that would be a great opportunity, to be able to get something with 10 acres on it and then split those acres up and sell those acres with the mobile homes on it. Now, you also have MH Village, all right? And so with MH Village, as you can see in Georgia, they offer the manufactured homes as well. Again, like this here one is 85,000. Just remember, you don't have to pay that 85,000. These numbers are always negotiable, especially with a manufactured home. All right. And so it has the skirting around it, but finding out if it's on a platform or is there still wheels on it and stuff like that, so it can be movable much easier. All right. So these are the places you want to get into real estate. I'm sharing with you the back door to getting into real estate. All right. Now, that way you don't have to come up with all the money. Now, the first lender I want to introduce you to is Truant. Okay. And the reason is because of this no payments for 90 days, right? And so this gives you so much leverage. When you're trying to get into the real estate game, the last thing you want to worry about is how soon you have to make the payment back, right? And so with this here, you would get approved for a loan and you can actually do a pre-qualification, right? So that's another thing without a hit on your credit. So that's the reason why I think this here is a win-win credit union. The next credit union on the list, again, is John Hopkins. And as you can see, no payments for 90 days. These are the credit unions. Now, most people they would tell you to go join Navy Federal, go join Penn Fed to get money, right? But the thing about it, soon as you start using that money, you have to make it back. But these here credit unions, they actually give you up to 90 days. So you can get a $50,000 loan and a $50,000 line of credit plus a credit card as well with 0% with some of these here credit unions. So that's the reason why I'm excited to show you these. Another one of my favorite credit unions is Liberty Federal Credit Unions. Now, with Liberty Federal Credit Union, the best thing about them, again, you don't have to make a payment for 90 days. 90 days. And again, you can get a line of credit, a credit card, and a personal loan with them. So you can do a trifecta with them as well. Another credit union that you may want to check out as well is with Chevron. Okay. And so you can see here with Chevron, with their personal loans, again, they offer personal loans up to $25,000. But again, the best part about it is that although they offer personal loans up to $25,000, you can also get a credit card with them and double your money that way. Last on the list is State Department Federal Credit Union. Okay. And the reason they're on the list, again, they give you 20, excuse me, they give you up to $100,000 to be able to do what you need to do for us on a personal loan. Again, also no payments for 90 days on them. So that's leverage. So it's all about the relationship. And what I mean by that, they also give you the line of credit and the credit card as well. And what I mean by the relationship, you should have a checking account, a savings account. I would tell you if you can do a direct deposit, and the way you do the direct deposit, if you don't have a regular W-2 job, you may have a stock portfolio. You can do a margin loan and make deposits that way, or you can have a registered business and then make deposits from your registered business and open a business checking account with them and then transfer the money over to your personal checking account. And the reason why I'm telling you this, because this is what's going to help your internal score and give you the leverage you need in order to grow. All right. So I hope this video helps you on your real estate investment journey. If you have any questions about business credit funding, personal credit funding, removing negative items off the credit, click the link in the description. Schedule a one-on-one consultation. Thank you.